Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for rent tax credit. First, you'll need to confirm your eligibility. This often involves checking your income and residency status against the program's guidelines. Next, start collecting all your essential documents, such as your lease agreement and proof of rent payments. This preparation is key to a smooth application process. To ensure you qualify, check that your household income is within the program's specified range. You'll also need solid proof of all rent payments, like bank statements or receipts, covering the period for which you're claiming the credit. Make sure your residency status aligns with the credit's rules, as these details are crucial for approval. Now, find the specific tax form designated for the rent tax credit. Carefully fill in all your personal details and rental information, ensuring every field is accurate. Pay close attention to numbers, like the total rent paid, and double-check everything before you finalize the form. Accuracy here prevents delays. Once your application is complete, submit it well before the official deadline. It's wise to keep a complete copy of everything you've sent, including all supporting documents, for your personal records. After submission, regularly check the status of your application for any updates or if additional information is requested.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.